I know if you know me long enough, I used to have a Cherokee, and you know, some people say this isn't a real Jeep. I say none of them are anymore. So I'm sitting in my car on my break at work. This is my 2016 Jeep Renegade. I notice sometimes when I drive it, it seems like you push the pedal down and there's a lag between like the time you push the pedal down and the time the engine actually gets the power. Did a little research, this and that. Basically the engine is called a throttle by wire system, which means that when you push the pedal in, your pedal's electric and it sends a message to the car's computer, which then in turn, you know, throttles your engine. And old cars, like every car I've ever had up to this point, it was all a wire that ran directly from the actual pedal into the engine. So I did some research and I came up with the pedal commander. I got a half hour. I'm gonna see if I can install it and try it, because they say it's stupid easy to install and it's supposedly, you know, it'll make a difference in that area. So we'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and install it. At the top of the gas pedal, see that red button? This is the gas pedal. So see, there's the whole assembly. Up at the top, there's a red button. You got to pull that out and up, and then you hook in the pedal commander there, and then the other side hooks into the wire you just pulled out of the pedal. I don't know if I can do this while I'm holding the camera, but I'll try to sit it down in a way you can see what I'm doing. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do it easily, but you got to go up. There we go. So I don't know if you can see it, but you got to pull it out and up. If you look at the thing you get, it'll show you, you know, how to do it. It'll show you the way. All right, so what you do is you're gonna take this thing. I don't know where I'm gonna mount it yet, but I'm thinking it's gonna go on this side. So you got your little flap of, let me get these out of the way. So I think I'm gonna mount it out of this side. It's this little foam thing down here. So I'm gonna just run this down through there. Run these wire harnesses down in here. Like my shaky cam, like my action cam. It seems like a lot of people put it over on the other side of the steering wheel. So I can just set that there. A lot of people seem to put it over here, but I don't know if I want to do that. So we just gonna see. Great time lapse. Believe that. I believe that. All right, here we go. So there it is. See it. So now the pedal commander's hanging here. We're gonna go back underneath there and hook up the wires. That's the plug we unplugged from the gas pedal. Down here you gotta, that's the end you plug that into. This is the end you plug back into the pedal. So I just got that half plugged in. I'm about to do the bottom half. Remember, the big red thing goes in the front. There's the thing on the thing, and this goes up here, right? It's out. Yeah. All right, it's on there. It's clipped in, I think. So there you go. I clipped that in. You got the section of wire here coming out. You can kind of see the other junk under there. You don't want nothing hanging down so you don't rip any wires out with your foot. All right, so there you go. It's installed. We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna go switch to dash cam mode. Okay, so this will be the first time me starting it. I just got in the car. I got my key fob. Here's the pedal commander. I don't know what is worth seeing on startup. There you go. All right, let's see what happens. See if my car explodes when I press the button. There you go, it's on. I was trying to figure out what the hell mode. So I'm in city. So these are all the modes available. Okay, if you hold the button in the middle down, it goes to eco. One more time turns it off. Then you have city, Sport, Sport Plus. Each one has 4 different intensities. There's the base, or I guess there's 5 different intensities. There's the basic one, and then +1, +2, +3, and +4. And you can turn it up, you can turn it down with these 2 buttons here. Middle button, hold it down, throw you back into eco, press one more time, turn it off. The pedal commander does not improve your performance. It just makes your car feel like it accelerates faster. It's more responsive to your, pressing the pedal. It's not gonna give you a faster 0 to 60 time. It's not gonna do anything of the sort. So just get all those thoughts out of your head. This is really just for a feeling, I guess. It's a mod so you feel more in control of your acceleration. So let's try it. I don't know really how to show this in a scientific way. Like most of my videos, I don't know how to show things in a scientific way. So we're just gonna hit it and see what it's like. It's gonna be a little more sensitive. So it just makes the car think that you're pushing the pedal down further than you really are, which is an interesting idea. And then my reading has also indicated that if you have your foot on the pedal and you switch the modes while you're pressing down the accelerator, you're gonna have problems. So you don't wanna do that. Me, I'm just gonna come to a stop. I'm not gonna put the car in park. I'm just gonna not be touching the gas pedal. Let's try city mode +1. Oh yeah, okay, that's nice, that's nice. But the whole thing with it is it's not gonna change when you shift. It's not gonna change your, it's not a replacement for a good tune on your car, All right, we're gonna do it one more time. Here we go, city +1. But it does, it likes acceleration. It really seems to grab. I don't know how to explain it, because it's really just like you're fooling your computer. That's all you're doing. Okay, so let's try Sport Plus +4. This is the highest, most sensitive pedal. It just it throws you when you put the pedal down. Here we go. We're going. We're doing it. Okay. And again, we're gonna switch. So I've heard of people having these things throw their engine codes. It seems like if that happens, I got a code reader too, so I can just reset the thing and take this out if it's a problem, and I'll probably just sell it. But, I got it to try it. We're gonna drive around with it for a little while. We'll see. That's fun. I like that a lot. Let's do it one more time. Oh, shit, dude. I feel like you could probably blow your engine pretty easy, though, if that was your goal. I'm still gonna get in trouble. All right, so it's been a half hour. I did it in my lunch break. I got around, tried it out, whatever. I'm gonna put this back into just regular city mode. Set that down there till I can get a bracket, and I am going to put back into a parking spot. So now I have a car equipped with a pedal commander, and we'll see just what that gets me. I was also curious about driving in reverse. If you have the pedal commander on and you're going in reverse, is it gonna make your car jerk you back when you're trying to drive in reverse? Because I feel like that's kind of the opposite of what you want, You don't want to just be getting yanked out of parking spots and so forth. So I don't know. That's the pedal commander. My model is the PC07BT. So it has Bluetooth too. There's an app. I'm probably not going to use the app because from what I understand, it takes a minute for you to get the response you want. So I'm going to set this thing up here for now. Tuck it up under here maybe. I don't know. Or maybe I'll find a place to zip tie it. We'll see. I'll mount it somewhere so it looks pretty and isn't in the way. But that's that. I got one in there. It only took me a half hour to, do the whole thing and try it out. Probably about 15 minutes. It was kind of a pain to negotiate the tight space, but, it's pretty easy. You don't need a mechanic to do it, that's for sure. So, all right, that's all for now. Maybe I'll come back with an update about how it is after using it for a little while.